Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So it is time for May's hashtag 2022 collage challenge, and this is hosted by Lee at Lee's Art Studio and Julie over at Art and Junk Journals with Julie. So the prompts for May is vintage. The theme, that's the style. The theme is summer. The color is blue or turquoise. Paper is vellum, tracing paper, baking paper. Image or vocal point is an animal, a fish, dinosaur, or lives in the ocean. Mark making is a word, quote, phrase, poem, or book passage. Shapes is a letter from any alphabet, and the bonus is postage stamps, cancellation marks, or wax seal. So this is an open collaboration, and it is hosted by those two. Yep, right here. And for May, what you want to do is post your video sometime in May. And for May, you're going to use the hashtag 2022 collage challenge May. Also, let Lee or Julie know that you're going to be participating. That way they can link you guys. And of course, they want you to put their links in your description box. So we are going to go ahead and get right into it. So I've got my book out, and I kind of want to keep this page the way that it is. It says from my gardening journal, and I just think that's really pretty. So here's the prompts. So I've got those handy so I don't forget. So I've got stamps, got some vintage items here, and these are actually items that I purchased from my friend Marie. Over actually on her, she does sales on Instagram. Yeah, I'll get it together in a minute. So this right here is going to be my vintage. So these are, and I thought we could just make a pocket to put one of these in, was what I was thinking. Yeah, these are pretty cool. Yep, they're really thick. They're a lot thicker than I thought they were going to be. And I think we're going to use that one. So, we can put that back in this bag of goodies I had gotten from her. We'll leave it close in case we want to use anything else. So, that's going to be our vintage. I just got that flower out because I thought it was pretty. And this is, shapes is a letter from any alphabet. So, I just found that. I thought I had some other stuff. Summer, blue or turquoise. These two are actually just, that's my animal, of course. And we have vellum. That's what I'm going to make my pocket with. And then that's the other sheet of that for summer. I'm not sure how much or what of that I'm going to use. So yeah, so these were just a couple of, and I think I may just use this one, of jelly printings that I had did. So, I thought these would be good. Let's see what's on the other side of this. Oh, okay, a Rita Donnelly flip. Okay, so maybe we could just put that here and wrap it around, I'm thinking. Okay, so let's do this. Let's take our sheet out. Might make it a little bit easier to work with. There we go. And then we could just pop it back in there when we are done. I thought something fell out. I have no idea where that came from. But that's a lady and she looks vintage, so maybe, just maybe, she wants to work her way onto our page. So I'm not sure if I want to use all of this or just some of this. I think I'm only going to use some of it. So let's get out our tear ruler and just tear it about here. And let's go about there is good with me. And then maybe we can tear it about there. Maybe just use this piece down here. Kind of looks like the ocean, doesn't it? Okay. So we have that. And this is for our summer, so I think I'm just going to actually just tear it. We could do that. Okay. We have our big old butterfly, and I wanted to use it because I have these really big butterflies. I think I had gotten it from a pack at the $1.25 Tria. And yeah, let's see. We want our prompts on here somewhere. We have to leave room for our pocket. Alright, so let's see. Here is my pocket. Maybe the pocket can just go here, maybe. Let's see if... Okay, yep, that'll still be good, I believe. Having that in the middle like that. We may not use that because that's not actually one of the prompts. Okay, so let's see. Vintage, summer, blue, vellum, focal point, word, and a quote. What did I do with my alphabet? I lost my alphabet. Nope, there it is. Okay, there's our alphabet. Maybe we can put it on here. Put our alphabet there. Letter for me. Okay. Word quote. I got out a marker so we could actually write a word on there. I guess summertime is a word, right? Let's go ahead and do that. There we go. So there's our word. Cheesy, I know, but you know. It is what it is, I guess. And maybe we can have that there just because it's pretty and I like it. And then we could just get out some stamps and put it on in places. So we're going to want our pocket down first. Right? So, since that's going to be behind there, let's just make a little mark where we want our pocket to go. And I think I'm just going to use this. I really don't know if there's a wrong or right way to this, but let's do some art glitter glue down through here. Okay. So there is that. Now we'll go ahead and use the art glitter glue just to put this on this corner here. There we go. And we're going to put this down. Hope you're all doing well today. It is Tuesday the 3rd. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, I always forget to... I'm going to have to pause you guys. I apologize. Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that. That was work, so it needed my immediate attention. Alright, so we'll just get some glue on here. Get this flipped around here. There we go. And then this I want to put in that corner because I want to... Julie had actually sent out the prompts in an email, I believe. So yeah, I started actually having these in April, I believe. So I think it's really nice to have those prompts on there. Okay, so then we'll do our butterfly there. Alright. And glue everywhere. It'll dry clear though, so it'll be okay. Okay, so we have that there. And then we can do this there in that corner. Cool, so there's that. And now I would like to put that there, I do believe, just because it's so pretty. I just came across it when I was actually looking for a fish and wanted to do a fish. I thought I had some fish. Guess what, guys? No fish that I could find in my craft room anywhere, but you know, I will probably end up coming across a fish because that's how it works. I even got out my sticker books and no fish at all. Okay, so this is going to be in our pocket here. Oh, that's cute. Well, I like that. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, so bonuses is some stamps. So I have my stamps here. Let's see, what all do we have? Here's some that actually have, look, there's one with a duck and it's got water. So let's do that one. Oh well, I guess I need to decide where I want him to go, right? Because he is a really big duck. Maybe he could go there. Oh yeah, that's cute. Okay. So, let's run down through. Summer, blue, vellum, animal, word, letter from any alphabet, and the swapper bonus is a postage stamp, so it ended up being our bonus. So, I think we are done, guys. Awesome. Okay, so let's get our book and put it back in our book. Okay, where does it go? Right here. And I will look because I do have June's prompts, so I will go ahead and read those off to you guys in case you have trouble finding them. That way, if you want to start in June, you can start in June. Alright guys, so this is our hashtag 2022 collage challenge, and again it is co-hosted by Lee at Lee's Art Studio and Julie over at Art and Junk Journals with Julie. Please make sure to go over and let one of those ladies know that you plan on participating so that they can look for your videos and put them in their links. Yeah, it is an open collaboration. Like I said, anyone can jump in and out whenever you want. Just let one of them know that you're going to participate. Use the hashtag 2022 collage challenge May, and this is for May only. So June will have a different hashtag as every month does. Yeah, and then make sure to link their channels in your description box when you post a video. So let's look back here, guys, because like I said, I do have the other prompts. So June's prompts, and it's going to be hashtag 2022 collage challenge, JUN for June. And this is retro, autumn, fall, oranges, brown tones, forest leaves, etc. Color purple or lilac. Paper is ledger, receipt, invoice form, or brochure. Image or vocal point is a place, building, architecture, door, or window. Marks is splashes, random paint marks, or gesso. Shapes are I don't even know what that is. Or stars. Anyway, whatever that is. Swap is handwriting, letter, or postcard. So that will be for June. And I do have the prompts through July. Alright guys, thank you all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. And we're going to put up these little fun things to use in a future project. Alright guys, if you don't mind, do me a favor. Sorry, I'm trying to put the stamps back where they live. Do me a favor and hit that like button. Also, leave me a comment, even if it just is a comment saying hi. I am trying to grow my channel, and I do know that YouTube looks at that some kind of way. I don't even know all the ways, but I've just been told it's important. So if you guys wouldn't mind doing that for me, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you all so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.